Morning. It is good afternoon. It is July 17, 2011, and this is going to be Hunter's first time on the boat. There is my in-laws' house from the backside on the water. We're going out in the back bay. There's my father-in-law, my mother-in-law. There's my son Parker. All of them. Noodle. Oh yeah, we got. You can see who selected the music this morning. Oh yeah, you shake it, baby. Yeah, shake it. Yeah, yeah. Hunter likes the black eye. Is this the black eyed peas?
Yeah. Oh, you want to get up and dance? Okay, stand up. Hunter, look, Hunter. Hold on. Want to take a booty? Take a booty.
Hi. All right. That's right, Tucky. Water. There we go. We're going out to Back Bay. Hunter's first boat ride. Hunter, say goodbye. Bye-bye.